Forever.
Oh, look at you!
I know you see me, Franklin Clinton! Don't be acting like we ain't no thing!
You still owe me a drink?
Yo!
Where can I take you?
Del Perro Beach.
Right away, sir. Why is it so hard? That's the ride, my man.
Call me at the place tonight.
Really? I knew it. Oh, it felt just right. Oh my god! Seriously? That's wrong. You are shitting me. Don't bump into me.
You wanna know? It rhymes with shut
Hey,
up.
man. Hey, bro.
Hey, girl.
Unbelievable.
¿Qué cuentas?
Would you open your damn eyes?
Apologize.
Never call me back.
They oiled my whole body for the shoot. The men all crowded around the set.
So what's up, man?
Sit down and face forward. Now, I don't have a lot of time. I know you need money. Did Michael tell you about Life Invader?
Oh, shit, y'all two did that?
Look forward. We're two strangers having a friendly chat. And don't pretend that you liked Jane Norris.
Oh, man, I don't know, homie. I mean, yeah, the dude outsourced work to child slaves, then stole and sold everybody's private information, and even ripped his own friends' ideas off and walked around like the Messiah while doing it, but, man, I don't think the nigga deserved to have his fucking head blowed off on TV.
Oh, well, aren't you just a moral majority? You know, that's why the world is the way it is today, when a paid thug gets all namby-pamby when someone asks him to act like a paid thug, and for a good cause.
Man, check this out, homie. I like blowing motherfucking fools' heads off just as much as the next psychotic asshole. But I just don't look at this shit as doing a good deed.
Well, now you can, because it's not fools' heads, it's assholes' heads. And not just heads, you know, trashing cars or planning lies, forging evidence, anything we can do to take the battle back to these turds. You know, we'll fix the market in our favor and we'll right a few wrongs while we're at it.
Shit, okay, cool.
Right, so, you heard of Mollis?
Hell yeah.
Okay, so there's a new Mollis, sort of a super Mollis, and it's called Priapold. It's giving the living rigor mortis. Only Brett Lowry, CEO of Bilkington Research, paid off the FDA, and he doesn't care that his hardness pills are giving desperate middle-aged men the world over heart attacks.
Hi there, Mr. Richards. Yeah. You know, if I offer... Oh, fuck! Hell, God! Go home, man. Shit!
Hey, you just turned this into a buck!
Let's move it out, people! We need this area cleared!
Keep your eye out for anything unusual. Let's see if we can get through one day without...
Oh, shit! Where is that son of a bitch? Keep your eyes open! I need backup now! All nearby units report immediately!
Yep. Getting penis!
Let's move it out, people! We need this area cleared!
Keep your eye out for anything unusual. Let's see if we can get through one day without some wannabe hippie waving an anti-globalization sign in my face.
We got a shooter! Take cover! Boss is down! Get an ambulance! Let's finish this! I need backup now! All nearby units report!
Holy moly! Oh, fuck. You... Hey, come on! Move, man!
Hey, careful!
Dude, what's crack-a-lacking, homie?
Hey, thanks for riding. Bitch! Hey, asshole! Oh, Lord!
Crap. Hey, it's done.
I know. Good work.
All right, well, shit, let me know about the next thing.
Will do, but before that, I've got to tell you something. Our investment portfolio is getting a little, successful, so I figured we needed some tangible assets, property. So we bought a house in the Vinewood Hills.
Yeah, sure, man, whatever. You know best about this shit.
And we needed someone to live there for tax purposes, so some guys are moving your stuff in.
Oh, shit! Meaning I don't have to live with my crazy-ass aunt no more? Man, I don't know what the fuck to say, dawg.
Don't say anything, especially if a man in a suit comes to the door. I'm joking. That probably isn't gonna happen. It's yours.
Who you think you fighting, fool?
got any cabs available?
No problem. I'll have one there in a couple of minutes.
Thank you.
I did everything within my power. What's the use?
What? It's 7 hells.
So, where do you want to go?
Into that shit right there.
Vinewood Hills?
All right, let's hit the road.
I gotta give you the number of that headshot guy. Hey man, what's up?
That shit right.
Hey, what's going on, brother?
Good to see you.
This is only a part-time gig. I'm also working on a few screenplays.
You can't hide!
Sure, we can stop here.
You scumbag!
Shit! You hit me!
Baby, what are you doing? Neighbors are gonna see this!
You're always at that fucking golf course.
You know I've got a competition coming up. Look, can't we talk about this inside?
Oh, really?
Another big-ass mess on my property? Chop, I gotta train you to shit on the neighbor's yard. Let's hit the pavement. Come on. You know the way home, Chop. Go. Another turd, Chop? Oh, I gotta school your ass.
Hipsters like me. Stop! Whatever. No way! What's your problem? That'll teach you.
Hey there, stranger.
Hey, are we gonna make that deadline? What in Sam Hill? Did you see that Miranda Callen's neck thing?
Okay, you know Redwood cigarettes?
Sure, the cigarette that built America. Get down or lay down. Ain't nothing personal.
Out of the way, man!
appreciate this shit. Damn, I ain't got much time left. Okay, that ought to do it.
What the fuck, dude?
Hey, L, it's done, homie. All of them.
Very good. I'll be in touch.
Woo, too close. Hush now.
Cab, pronto.
Not a problem. A driver's on the way.
I'll be here. Where do you want to go? Terminal.
Hey, we're here.
Floyd, I've got that submarine we talked about. You gotta help me store... for a few days. Floyd, don't go quiet on me or I'll come around and I'll, well, we both know what I'm talking about.
Okay, alright. Bring it around to Pier 400 at the Western Docks.
On my way.
Look, I'll have a truck to bring you around the warehouse.
What's this? The union man doing an honest day's work?
There's nothing honest about this, sir. But this is a dishonest day's work, if ever I've seen one.
Hey, we're not hurting anyone.
No, no one except whoever owns that submarine and the mercenary folks on the freighter.
Do some research on Merryweather Security Consulting, friend. They'd be on trial for human rights offenses if the U.S. government didn't protect all its contractors from any kind of suit, military or civilian. They're immune from prosecution, and they behave like they are. Murdering, stealing, high on power guns and anabolic steroids. Lucky bastards.
Look, I don't know about that stuff.
Oh, you're right. You don't. Merryweather are employed by the richest, greediest scum on the planet to shit on the poorest and the neediest. So we are going to enjoy shitting on them.
Oh, great. Well, look forward to that.
Okay, that's more like it.
this, and I'll bring you shoreside.
All right.
Let's go! Let's go!
Okay, all right.
Hurry up!
Oh, God. All right, here we go. All right, I'm here. It's around the corner, past the shipyards.
Is that sub covered properly?
It'll be fine if we just get there.
Are you being short with me?
No, sir. I'm certainly not being short. I'm just not used to this kind of pressure.
If you turn a crew onto a score, you gotta be ready for the heat that comes with it.
I didn't turn anyone on to anything. You threatened and cajoled and tricked me.
You don't want to cut? Just walk away.
I can't walk away. You're robbing my workplace and running the show from my home.
Deborah's home. No cut for you, no cut for Deborah.
Take it in this warehouse here. You can park it there.
You're sure it'll be okay there?
Sure.
All right. If you're wrong, I'll eat your sweetmeats. Now get out of here. Man!
So, it looks like we're ready to go with everything. Floyd don't think it's a good idea for us to meet at the condo, so maybe we should...
Tell Floyd it is a good idea to meet at the condo. It's a great idea. And tell him we need chips and dip and prostitutes. Fool, you're a blind fucking fool.
Fucking bitch! Your car is ill!
Fuck is this bullshit? We handled your little immigration
immigration problem, whoever the fuck it was. We're straight.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. You killed people.
Here's Trevor.
Great! Looky, huh? Bunch of government shitbags and their favorite stoolie. What's he been telling you?
Oh, he just said how you guys were happy to help the government in any way you can.
Oh, really? Huh? Because I was told that if we helped out with that thing, which we did, then our past indiscretions would be forgotten in a haze of patriotic fervor.
Who told you that? Did I tell you that? I'm in charge here, Fruity. Me! You understand?
Not quite. Can you explain that again?
What I was saying! Oh, you're good. The three cunts.
Listen, we need help with something else. Some of the government, some of it is pretty corrupt.
Not your bit, right?
Yes, but we're corrupt in a good way.
But the agency, they want to encourage panic so they can guarantee their budgets. That's how they get paid.
It's a major problem.
And now they've secured some funds that we need to use in our fight against crime as a way of bribing corrupt officials.
Really? And where are they getting that from?
Drugs. Those bastards love to sell drugs.
Who doesn't?
We think they're going to use this money to finance a war on our streets. And we need you boys to requisition that money for us.
The bonds are leaving the terminal in an armored car.
Yeah, fuck you, Dave. We don't have time to prepare the right way.
It's not my concern. I cannot allocate any more resources to this.
You'll be fine.
Fuck you, Dave.
Nice work, Slick. We're gonna be doing pat-downs at the airport before those fucking clowns are done with us.
You know, fuck you.
Hey, look, man. It is what it is. Now, how the fuck we gonna get this done?
I don't know. I got it. Classic blitz play. It's an industrial area, right? So I'm thinking vehicles. Trash truck the block, tow truck, sack 'em. We get some disguises, and we're golden. We just gotta hope like hell these are the kind of agency men that don't carry a panic button with them. If they are, we deal with it. If and when.
If and motherfucking when.
I will keep my eyes peeled, General.
Thank you, Michael. Hey, no problem. No, really.
Alright guys, a few more details. We'll need boiler suits and masks for this job. Garbage truck. Let's get one from your park. Bring it back to the lot. And there's an auto repair place by the airport where we can get a tow truck. What else? Oh yeah, get away. That would be nice. Get something fast and discreet. We park it off the road, a good distance from the lot. And make sure it ain't near something we'll crash into driving off. That's it.
All right, man, I got you, dawg.
What? Huh? I missed that. Maybe shout a little louder?
Bite me.
Miss me!
Piece of junk, crap, shit. Step out my rig right now.
How did you not see me? truck is at the lot.
Wow!
I'm gonna get back just to see if I can.
I've wasted my life.
Sweet baby Jesus!
Nah, man, I don't watch Famous Shame. That Laszlo guy, he's a has-been.
Take care, friends.
Dude, my dad dropped acid with him in the 80s. I know what I'm talking about.
Hey, it's good to see you!
All right, I got some masks. We're all gonna look real pretty.
Hey, bro, what's up?
Oh, hey, bro, you're late. 9 years fucking late. You know, you're so late, in fact, that you have no right to call me bro. Is that clear?
Shut the fuck up. You're like a broken fucking record.
Oh, yeah? Well, you're like a shit. Exactly like a shit. Where's the assistant?
On his way.
Kid idolized us. The creeps.
Yo!
Yo, Frankie, we were just talking about you. Ah, nattering. You know how it is.
Yeah, whatever, man. So what we doing here?
We're working, amigo. Taking a score. Yeah, done most of the planning, and I think we're gonna literally make out like bandits on this.
Did you talk to Lester?
Yeah, I called him. Apparently he's in the hospital having his vagina cleaned or some shit.
He's got a wasting disease.
20% saved.
No, that's not how we work.
Well, you'll forgive me, but that's how we're gonna work this time, all right? We're doing it my way, because as I recall the last time when we did it your way, we all got shot at, you got buried, resurrected, turned into a twat, and Brad ended up in a fucking prison!
Yeah, and Lester told us not to do that job, but we did it anyway.
And Lester seems pretty good, man.
Would you shut the fuck up, all right? And you, Michael, owe me, all right? So this time, we do things my way.
Yeah, and what about after this?
After this, we think about things.
So what's the plan?
Easy. We are sinking a freighter into Los Santos Harbor, all right? Now, Daddy's little helper, you're gonna be on the bridge, all right? You're the lookout. You're boarding the freighter and planting charges. Me, I'm running the deepwater salvage operation with a little help from my friends. You, Fat Man, of course, well, you're not one of those friends.
Which part is easy, though?
Oh, for fuck's... Where'd you get the pussy, Mikey?
Man, fuck you.
Ah, better! I like that. Fuck you. Good. Good. All right, now let's go make some money, ladies, huh?
Brilliant. Don't be a dick.
Oh, your wish is my commando, master. Let's go, Junior. Hey, Wade, get Michael a wetsuit, all right? Take him to the boat. Oh. Stop dragging your heels, kid. We need some transport.
I'm coming, man.
Okay, I'm taking you to the port city side of the Miriam Turner overpass. Almost forgot. Here's the rifle with a thermal scope.
Almost forgot. I was kind of sold on like a well-organized job, planned out, with Lester's weird eye for detail.
I got an eye for details, kid. Little details like your brick of blow being drywall.
Okay, man. I'm grateful for that, dog, but buying cocaine is a whole different thing from sinking a container ship into a harbor.
Not really, kid. It's all about what's inside.
Cool, so what's the thing, man?
I don't know what it is, but I know it's important. You heard of Merryweather?
Yeah, maybe.
Merryweather Security Consulting, the company our government uses to fight its wars and protect its shady interests all over the planet.
They're the army?
They're like the army, only they're private, so they cost more. Anyway, they've just been cleared to take government contracts on U.S. soil. And what's one of the first on the list?
This container at the port?
Exactamundo! So it's gotta be valuable, right? Anyway, it doesn't matter, because your job is not to understand, it's to shoot at people who try to stop us. I'll stop the car in the median here. Get out, find your spot on the side of the bridge, and call Michael.
All right, man, whatever. Hey, dog, I'm in position. Let me know when you're ready.
All right, F, I'm in position. Damn, that's a long way up. So make sure I don't run into any trouble when I get there. Fucking Trevor.
All right, I got you, homie.
Hold on, there's a couple guards. These cats are shady, right? From what I read about them, yeah. They ain't no peace workers.
It's clear, man. Climb aboard.
Things I do for old friends.
T-pick 4 spots for the bombs. Keep an eye on me, okay?
There's some serious manpower on that ship. You meant to set a bomb around there, ain't you?
First bomb is planted and armed. I'm moving up to the next position.
Hey, do this quick, man. I don't know how much backup they got below deck.
I can do it quick or I can do it right, okay?
He's smoked! One of ours! We're alive, gentlemen! No SPs at present.
Hey, that's the alarm. You gotta move it, dog.
two!
That guy's done, dog.
I'm trapped. Get a job. Take that shithead down.
Hey, if this is Trevor's thing, why ain't he doing any of the wet work?
Cuz, he's screwing around in a submarine. I don't know how we got roped into this shit.
We are P-Composite negative. All clear on deck.
They got a lookout on one of the balconies. I'm gonna do him before he clocks you. The lookout's out. Looks clear. Rigged. Bomb.
Third charge is set. I gotta go inside for the last one.
Come to the south side. I'll clear the entrance for you.
Nothing to report on patrol.
Hey, there's a guard at the top of the gangway. I'll drop him. He's out. You can get inside and level up.
Here's the door. Going in.
Get back to where I can see you as soon as you can.
I'm not gonna screw around in here, all right?
Just tell me when you planted it. Oh, shit. The alarm's going, man. You okay? Are you okay, man? You gotta go. I'll clear as many as I can from the front of the ship. Hey, more guys in the port. They see me. Shit. Oh. away from the ship! They going up!
Here we go. I'm in the drink, T. Where you at?
Not far out, so you better find this thing quick. The Scat-Eater dive gear will be reading its signal.
Okay. What sort of signals it giving off?
The kind that gets crazier the closer you get. Find it. I'll come in and pick it up.
I got it.
All right, I'm on the way.
Hey, what is this thing? It looks kind of sinister.
If we knew what it was, it wouldn't be top secret or very valuable, would it?
It ain't doing anything to the water, is it? I'm swimming around in this.
Well, it could give you powers, turn you into infinite rage. Nah, just take a shower after, you'll be fine.
How did I let myself get talked into this?
I see it, I'm picking it up.
Whoa, be chill with it, all right? So, am I done down here?
Yeah, you're done. The team's meeting at Pier 400 for a debrief. Beers are on me.
I'll stay for one.
That's what you always say.
Yeah, well, I mean it now.
Floyd, come in. I got the package. I get the doc?
Sir, yeah, I'm here. I heard gunshots and explosions.
Keep it together. I'll be there soon. Floyd, I'm coming in. Get the crane ready. Yes. Here I am.
Man, you can say whatever you want about Trevor, but shit, he got it done.
Yep, let's hope so.
Hey, is that Lester? What? Hey, man, what the fuck you doing here?
You should be in bed.
Yes, I should be. I would be if certain known associates weren't busy making themselves enemies of the state. You know, the FIB, Merryweather, IAA. You can fuck with them all day long. But when you try and steal an experimental super weapon and sell it to the Chinese, you and everyone you ever knew is gonna be fucked in the ass, you fucking chumps!
Hold on, man. A super weapon? The Chinese, what?
What you think is in there?
I thought he talked to you.
All right, man, so what now?
Well, maybe I can organize to have it taken back and found amongst the wreckage.
Whoa! Holy fuck, Lester! Rest! Holding on and looking good, huh?
You have any idea what you did here?
Yeah? I pulled a score. What, are you jealous because you didn't get your 20%?
If that thing doesn't go back, then we will all end up on every watch list in the entire planet.
Watch list? So fucking what?
So they don't watch, they kill. Idiot, we'll all be dead within a week. Think! Listen, take the truck, take a guy, do what you gotta do. Trevor?
All loaded up. Trevor?
Great. Then you and the patient can take it all back.
Right fucking now!
So you mean to tell me this shit was all for nothing? Man, it's the hood all over again. Fuck!
Come on, Franklin.
You owe me, Michael. I am owed. What you gonna do, huh?
I'll think of something. I gotta get Franklin some work, too.
Yeah. Lots of mouths to feed, amigo.
Tell me about it.
Fuck! Can I get a cab ASAP?
On its way, sir. Thanks for calling.
That'll work.
Where do you want to go?
Pillbox Hill.
Right away, sir.
Ah, Brother O'Neill.
Fuck you, man!
Whoa! You're the guy stealing contracts.
You burnt the farm, killed my brothers!
You had too many brothers. They needed culling.
You're fucking dead!
Aren't we all? We live and we die. That's our curse. Hey, you want to expedite the situation? Come fucking find me. Vespucci Beach, Los Santos, you inbred hillbilly fuck.
I'll be there, man! I don't know when, but I'll be there!
Pedestrians gotta pay attention, man. This is a driving town.
Hurry the fuck up!
Buckle up!
That's a sweet ride you got there, man.
That whip is hot.
Hey, we're here.
I should probably remind you it's paying customers only. Find a job you love, you'll never work a day in your life.
Boiler suits can come off the shopping list. Come on, my dear. Walking's fun.
Shit!
Shit! Cops!
Shithead!
Lucky miss!
Run! You don't want to end up in the back of this.
Sanitation truck's there now, so don't you bother.
We got a getaway car stashed and ready to go.
Cool, dog. Shit, where's it at?
Rockford Hills.
Christ, no!
Forgive me, sweetheart.
You ready to do this?
Yep, we got everything we need.
Okay, so move already. When you get the stuff, bring it to Devin Weston. You met him at our internal rendition site. He's a major player in the investment world, so treat him with respect.
I'll show him as much respect as a friend of yours deserves. Hey.
What's cracking? Where T at?
It's right there.
So we really finna do this shit? We finna risk our lives to rob some motherfucking government killers again?
Yep. Hey. All right. So, listen up. Here's the plan. All right, Trevor.
Yeah?
I want you in this position up here. Okay, you're on lookout. All right, T, I'm in position. What's the ETA?
Looking for him. I got a visual on the target. Should be with you any moment. All right, Mike, move it!
Get moving, Adam. Across both lanes, remember. Just stop the truck and keep it stationary.
All right, I pulled up. Get ready, Frank.
Sanitation aren't meant to be here today.
Hey, man, I got these motherfuckers. We got contact.
All right, make it happen. Plant the sticky bombs.
Okay, okay.
Don't stand near the bomb, kid. Blow. Everyone out! Let's go! On the ground now! Move it!
My fucking ears! I'm fucking deaf, you complete prick! Clean out the van, I got the guards. The alarm's been tripped. The cops will be swarming here in 10 seconds. You better run! Shut the fuck up. Come on, good to go. You hear all them sirens, dog?
They got a panic button, all right. Whole lot of cops on the way.
Hep, getting covered by those barriers. I'm going up here. Fuck! Fall back. We'll never get out of here. We got a whole position.
Hey, this gonna be a nasty motherfucker, man. Oh, shit!
I got your back. Just let me know.
I'm up here watching over you boys. Well, one of you more than the other.
Look out behind! Cops coming from out there! Alley on the left!
If those cops get up the alley, you're overrun.
That alley at the back on the left! Man, cops coming up it! Send them back! Back up in the loading area, man! Cops gon' mash!
Hey, let him run. Put these cops down, and we move on.
I'm up here with a rocket launcher, guys. Keep out of my way.
Oh, I don't want a rocket up my ass.
Back down, motherfucker!
Oh, we need a window.
Hold them back! Fuck you, dog!
All clear here.
They coming from the front! Hey, I got these dudes! Back off!
LSPD sniper team on the roof up. Opposite you, just to the right. You gotta take them out, T.
I got the first shooter.
Damn, man, you a cold motherfucker, dog.
Shooter 2 is down. I see the snipers. I'll get rid of them. Snipers are gone. We're
Clear.
Incoming! Outside!
Oh, you gotta be precise with this thing.
There's a sniper in the chopper. You gotta bring it down. Not many left. This looks like our window to get out of. Deal with the trash truck. I'll get the bonds to Steve's guy. I'm on the move.
Hey, man, shit, you look after yourself, dog, all right?
Everything cool?
Yeah, man. Shit, that trash truck is trash, dog. You good?
Nice work. I'm about to meet this guy. I'll tell you how it goes.
Got a package for Devin Weston.
Package for Mr. Weston? Come on.
Yeah, and I'm telling you that I don't give a flying fuck. There you go, there you go. Boom! So long, motherfucker! Devin Weston.
I remember you. The weekend interrogator. Invest wisely.
Hey, hold on. We're not done here yet. I got a job for you, bro. 5 top quality scores. Big ticket cars. Major payday, bro.
Sounds great. I got just the guy for you. I'll put you in touch.
No. I don't want just some dude. I want you. I want your crew. I want pros on this.
I don't give a fuck what you want, pencil neck. I'll let him know you're interested.
I guess I just got you figured wrong, man.
Hey, what's the figure?
Tell me something. You like football? I got a stake in a sports adventure. You like the market? I got some funds you can manage. Name your poison, man.
I just like sitting around watching old movies.
Oh, there we go. How about I hook you up with Solomon Richards?
Bullshit. Solomon Richards, the movie producer?
Yeah, he's retiring, man, and I'm doing a finance deal for his studio. I will make the connect just as soon as you...
All right. Oh, man. Solomon Richards. Have a good one, boys. Listen, I got an interesting opportunity for you. Acquaintance of Dave's.
An FIB contact? Are you joking?
Relax. The guy's private sector. Very wealthy. Could be lucrative. Why don't you meet him and see what you think?
All right, yeah, I'll think about it.